Hello my friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of one of the cheapest smartwatches that comes with the real GPS sensor, and you can buy this from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorving, and it also has it is also waterproof, which is really nice to see that you are getting a waterproof smartwatch in this price range. So here are the specifications on the back and features. Comes with GPS, barometer, and heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, so all the good stuff. The right one, it has 1.43 inches AMOLED display, and the left one has 1.96 inches AMOLED display. So they are using real AMOLED display, and the application that you can download for it is GloryFit Pro. So yeah, let's open the box first and see what's inside. Here is our watch, and let's open the box for the other one. So let's quickly take out. Here we get a charging cable, a really nice charging cable, and here is our watch. It looks really rugged, and yeah, looks very nice and premium. So let me just quickly take out the strap. You get a black strap with it, and the strap quality is also really good. So let me just quickly put this to the side, and here's the other watch. And yeah, this one also looks really nice. Here, as you can see, we have different button, custom power button. So yeah, both of these looks amazing, guys, and I'm holding it the other way, so let me just quickly show you. We get similar things inside the box, strap and same charging cable. So yeah, because both of these are from the same company. And let me just quickly turn the watch on, and here, as you can see, we have a really nice AMOLED display on both of these. So let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the design, which one you like, the right one or the left one. So let me just quickly take a look at the bigger display one. So here, as you can see, we have our brightness. Let me just quickly turn down the brightness so you can see easily. Here, as you can see, the display looks amazing, guys, and on the right side we have power and custom button. You can assign an application to it by pressing the custom button, and we have GPS logo on the right side. On the left hand side we have sports mode button, so you can easily access to sports application, and on the back we have our sensors. So yeah, overall the design looks really good, and it looks very rugged, and yeah, unfortunately it does not have palm gesture. I mean, I cannot complain, it's not a huge deal. So yeah, here is our menu, and it is also not the fastest watches compared to the other higher end models, but in terms of price, guys, this is amazing. Honestly, the touchscreen is also really good, but it's not that fast, so keep this in mind. So here, as you can see, we have call functionality as well. Here is our heart rate application, and the heart rate sensor that they are using is best in my opinion. If I put it on a table, it does not measure, because some of the cheapest smartwatches, they are not using that great heart rate sensor. And as soon as I put my fingers on the back of the sensor, it's gonna measure, and if I remove my fingers from the sensor, it's gonna stop measuring, which is really nice. So the sensor that they are using is amazing, which is really nice to see. So let's see the watch faces that we have. You can also download more watch faces from GloryFit application. So here is the Apple Watch Ultra one, and it looks like Apple Watch Ultra now a little bit. So yeah, the raise to wake feature is also really nice. So let me just quickly see what else we get. So yeah, a pretty nice selection of watch faces. So here is the bezel size. Let me know in the comments down below if you like the bezel size and the display. So if we swipe from the bottom, we have our widgets, and let's go back. If you swipe from the left, we have our notifications. Right, you can easily access to the menu, and here is our shortcuts. If you swipe from the top, it also has always on display, and you can change the themes as well. Let's change it to grid view, Yeah, I really like the grid view. The icons look bigger, so I'm gonna keep it at that. So now let's take a quick look at our round watch. So here is the watch, and let's see the watch faces. It also has some nice selection of watch faces. Let me just quickly select this one, and let's turn down the brightness so you can easily see. So here is our menu style. All of the functions are similar to the other watch, so I'm not gonna go deep, so because they are from the same company. And yeah, both of them are using real AMOLED display. So race to wake feature, as I have mentioned previously, it works really well in these smartwatches, which is really nice to see because it is the main feature. And let's see the GPS feature. Let me just quickly turn on the sports mode application. You have to wait quite a bit because if it is your first time, it's going to calibrate and it's going to take a lot of time. Once it's done, the Go logo will be green. So let me just quickly show you how it looks like. It is our sports mode. As you can see, we get a pop-up, and it's going to take a lot of time, guys, so be patient, because if it's the first time, it's going to calibrate the GPS. After that, it will work. So here, as you can see, we automatically get green on the Go logo. So now it's ready to go. So yeah, GPS is working now, which is really nice, and it's quite amazing to see in this price range you get a real GPS sensor, which is really nice. So yeah, I 100% recommend you to buy this, and I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorving. He's one of the best sellers on AliExpress. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video, guys. Share this video with your friends and click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot. I will be making more videos of the smartwatches as well, so stay tuned for that. And thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.